Ampalaya with Giniling, bitter melon with ground beef, is one of those dishes that hits you with a perfect mix of savory, bitter, and umami. It's way underrated outside Filipino households, and honestly, that needs to change. The bitterness of Ampalaya scares people off, but it's nothing a little prep can't fix. I get it. No one wants their dinner to taste like sadness. But trust me, the bitterness balances out beautifully with the other ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 2 medium-sized ampalayas, half a pound of ground beef, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 onion, a tomato, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 2 eggs. Simple ingredients, big flavors. Start with the ampalaya, slice it open lengthwise, scoop out the seeds, and cut it into thin crescents. Then soak it in salt water for 15 minutes. That's your bitterness cheat code. It doesn't remove the flavor, just tames it. While the ampalaya soaks, let's multitask with the giniling. Heat some oil in a pan, sauté your minced garlic, diced onion, and chopped tomato until they form a fragrant base. This aroma? It's where the magic happens. Toss the ground beef in next. Break it apart with your spatula as you cook, season with soy sauce and salt. It's about layering flavors here. Every step adds richness to the dish. Don't rush this part. Drain your ampalaya after its salt bath and gently squeeze out excess water. Toss it into the pan with your cooked beef and sauté for a few minutes. Think of it as bitter melon meeting its best friend, umami beef. Here's the clincher. Crack in 2 eggs and mix them gently into the pan. The eggs soften the overall flavor and add a velvety richness. Cook until everything's harmonized, no runaway egg whites or uncooked yolk vibes. Pro tip: serve this over freshly steamed rice. The fluffiness of the rice mellows out any remaining bitterness from the ampalaya. Plus, everything tastes better with a warm bowl of rice. It's basically science. Still hesitant about ampalaya? Give it just one try. You might find yourself hooked despite its reputation. It's one of those dishes where all the flavors complement each other so well, you forget it's supposed to be an acquired taste. Another pro tip: don't skimp on the tomatoes. Tomatoes bring sweetness and acid to this dish, acting like a bridge between the beef and the ampalaya. I learned that the hard way when I tried making it without. Never again. Every time I make this, I remember my mom whipping it up in our Portland kitchen. It's familiar, comforting, and loaded with flavor. Ampalaya with giniling turns something bitter into something brilliantly delicious. That's a life lesson right there.